this video, I'll be showing you how to make a good budget-friendly smoothie. Well, really, I'm going to show you two different times, so it'll be two different tapes of two smoothies that are good for your pockets and good for your belly. Just wait. Okay, so I'm going to make a berry, strawberry, apple, and 1 cup of almond milk smoothie. If I can get up in here. Okay. And these are the little apples they be having at Kroger. The little separated packages. I like them like this versus the other kind. And with these, I just keep the skin on them. So that was 6 strawberries. And all of these blackberries. Get up in there. Okay. Voila. I set it back this way so that the blades go ahead and knock all the juice on it to get back to the end. I'm going to take this off, wash this off, and drink my smoothie. Okay, so for this next smoothie, you see me opening up 1 organic banana. That's all I'm going to use, just 1 banana. So after I finish putting this banana in here, you see me adding 1 cup of almond milk. Now here's my last ingredient, which is the 100% peanut butter. This is the only kind I like to use, and you always have to shake this up because if not, the liquid actually settles on top in this one. Now I'm just going to grab a spoon, a tablespoon actually, to go ahead and scoop some peanut butter out of here. And I'm going to use 2 good size scoops of this. You see me now not trying to make a mess. Okay, so I walked away to go ahead and put some ice on it, which is the final step before I go ahead and blend this thing on up. On my last video, you didn't see me put ice in there because I was already using frozen fruit. But for this one, since I didn't use anything frozen in it, I'm going to go ahead and put some ice in it. Now it's time to blend, blend, blend. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.